Welcome to Advisera's beginner's course for consultants, how to become a cybersecurity, ISO and AI consultant. My name is Dejan Košutic and I'll be your instructor and will guide you through this course. My main expertise is in cybersecurity and AI, and I have lots of experience working as a consultant and also helping other consultants succeed. So in this course, I'll present you various techniques to start your consulting career. I'll present you the whole course in an easy to understand way, so you'll be able to learn about the basics of consultancy in the shortest amount of time. So this course is a good fit for consultants that are considering to start a career as an independent consultant or have just recently started their consultancy. And for people that already have a couple of years of experience in this job, I recommend that you go directly for the advanced course for consultants. This course will be the most useful for consultants that want to focus on cybersecurity compliance, ISO standards and AI governance. For example, NIS2, DORA, ISO 27001, ISO 9001, ISO 42001, EU AI Act and similar. This is because through this course I'll give several examples on how consultants dealing with those frameworks can use the concepts I present in their regular work. This online course follows a very simple structure. It is divided into 3 modules, all of which contain a number of video lectures. Each lecture ends up with a quiz that will help you understand the practical aspects of the lecture, and at the end of each module there is a recap quiz to test your knowledge. Neither of those quizzes are marked. They're intended purely for your better learning. And the estimated time for the completion of this course is 2 hours. The suggested pace for effective learning is to dedicate, let's say, half an hour per day to this course, if possible, always at the same time of the day, which will enable you to complete the course in under a week. Alternatively, you can take 2 hours off from your work and finish the course in the shortest time possible. This course, including all the lessons and quizzes, is completely free. As I mentioned before, this beginner's course for consultants is divided into 3 modules. Module 1 is about preparation. It gives you an overview of all the steps that you need to take, teaches you how to position your consultancy so that you focus on where you can perform the best, and gives you an insight into how to obtain certificates, tools, know-how, and also how to package your services and how much to charge for your services. Module 2 is about finding clients. It focuses on a more short-term strategies on how to leverage your network of people to find first clients, but also on a long-term strategy of building your personal brand as an expert. Also how to present your services to prospects and how to convert them to clients, but also what to include in your consulting contracts. And finally, Module 3 is about delivering consulting jobs. There I'll present you how to deliver different types of jobs like implementation projects, training projects, audit projects, but also how to prepare clients for the certification audit and how to handle privacy, intellectual property and security when delivering these projects. So to conclude, this course will teach you what are the exact steps you need to follow to start a successful consultancy, using lots of examples that you will be able to use in your daily work. And all of this you will get from the comfort of your home or your workplace without having to travel anywhere. Enjoy your course!